Welcome, everyone. This is the 5th August. New week has started now. Let's take a look on the daily, actually weekly, and see what's going on. So, if we're looking at the weekly, and if we're being honest, um, it just seems like the weekly candle should continue to push up to fill this wick, 24.77, 200, 200 pips away, excuse me. Daily as well, we're continuing to push up over here, but the daily had some rejections here. The previous daily candle, it broke the high and broke the low of the previous candle. It becomes a volatile candle. So to know true direction, we would need this current daily candle to close to know if this candle closes bullish. Tuesday we can move up. If we close bearish, Wednesday we can move down. That's something I'm looking at now. Looking at the 4 hour, 4 hours continue to push up. Now, the good thing about the 4 hour is that the 4 hour has this clean range all the way up till, 24.73. Now, all the analysis you do on the daily, it basically kind of gets a little bit limited as we're looking at the smaller time frames because here we have clean range, 170 pip range for price to move up. And that is the wick fill here. So let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, obviously we have some more information. The 1 hour candles have been continuing to push up. At the same time, there was a resistance we broke on the 1 hour. So maybe if we're going to continue pushing up in this clean range to the left hand side, we need to come down, do sort of a retest, and then continue to push back up. That would be perfect. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, I think that's going to be perfect. I mean, look, we've moved about 100 pips we have moved so far. So it would be in the best interest of gold to retrace or consolidate for a little bit and then continue to move up. Because look, we've had this move in the Asian session. I doubt if we're going to have volume in pre-London because we've had volume in Asian Open throughout Asian session. Pre-London, I don't know. London Open, maybe we're going to have volume. So we're going to wait and see. I'm going to be doing live stream on London Open, so we'll see. But I would want to see some sort of a retracement or consolidation and then a continued move up. But as we're looking at this moves going up, this resistance, I think we could maybe adjust it based down over here because now this becomes our range. Because if this region was important, we could have reacted to this area. I mean, we did react, but candles still started to create higher highs and higher lows. So something we're looking at. Let's take a look at pound yen. Wow, we're moving down over here in pound yen, correcting that wild move we had, man. This is absolutely wild. Let's see what this looks like on the weekly. Damn, look at that. Continuing to push down on pound yen over here. This is the support we're looking at, pound yen. Whoever's holding sells here, that's crazy. Looking at the daily, looking at the 4 hour, looking at the 1 hour. Look at this, man. Just straight pushing down. This is the resistance we have on the 1 hour time frame. Let's look to the left hand side. Let's see what we got to the left hand side. So on the left hand side, market structure we have is, wow, look at that thing over here. So this is what we got on the left hand side here now. We have, and this is from, when is it from? This is from October. No, January. And look at this. Price is still pushing down over here. Wow, look at that. So much volume. What's happening on gold over here at the same time? Nothing. But so much volume on pound yen over here. Wow, crazy. But we're approaching a support over here. And then, you got another support down over here. Let's take a look at current price now, Let's take a look at current price now because that's something that we're interested in. So this is where we're at now. So looking at the 30-minute time frame, wow, this is nuts. So we're approaching some sort of a support. And below this area, it's like 42 pips away. Where's all this volume coming from anyway? Could be anything, like news, something. So, I mean, we've moved about 200 pips, like so much volume on pounding. I think now, just like in gold, we need to see some sort of a retracement, resistance, and then a continued push down. That's something we want to see at this point to see where price is going to go, to be honest. That's something we want to see. But anyway, we're going to see you guys later on for the London Open stream. So we will see you then. Take care.